All right, so in this warm-up, we're evaluating. What did you get for log 981? 2. Excellent. Okay. Whoops, wrong color. And log 27 of 3? 1/3. Log 8 of 1? 0, because anything in the power of 0 is 1. Okay? Log 4 of 2? It's a half. My base is going to be bigger than my output, okay? All right, the next one. -1. And the last one. All right, so here we go. 1/2 to the x equals 128, right? Do you guys like 1/2? No, we like 2, right? 2 is the what of 1/2? Reciprocal, so that means my value is going to be negative. Okay, so my x is going to equal something negative. 2 to the what is 128. Keep going. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 7. So -7 is the answer. Cool? Work through it, use what you know. Okay, pause for a second while I hand out the worksheet. Okay, you should be on the side that says log properties, please. Okay, we're going to start with the product property. Okay, so in exponents, right? In exponents, if I have like bases, so x to the a times x to the b, what did we do? We added. So log is no different. So if I have the log of a times b, I am really doing log of a plus log of b. When you multiply like bases, you add. Okay, so that's where it ties into the exponent. Okay, so what did we do when it was division? We subtracted. So that's my quotient rule. I'm going to go over here. Okay, so if I have the log of a divided by b, what do you think I'm going to do? Subtract. So log of a minus log of b. Okay, remember with exponents, power of a power, what did we do when we did power to a power? We multiplied, so we're going to do the same thing here. So if I have log of a to the b, that is going to be log, that is going to be b times the log of a. These types are going to be very important next year when you do derivatives, because derivatives are very similar. Okay? All right? We are going to focus on these three today. Okay? We will do inverses and the change rule next time. Okay? All right. So let's look at some examples. You can either put them on this paper or you can do a separate sheet of paper. Oh, sorry, somebody wasn't ready. Sorry. Let me know. Thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, so we are going to expand. We're going to expand. Okay? So what am I doing right now? What's happening in this parenthesis? What operation? Multiplication. And so when I multiply, I really do what? Add. So this is going to be log 3 of 2 plus log 3 of x. Does that make sense? Okay? Multiply I, add, division I, subtract, power I, multiply. Okay? This is product because 2 times x, right? So think of these, whatever's in parentheses, as exponents. And when I'm multiplying exponents with like bases, I add them. Okay? In parentheses was 2x. So that means 2 times x, so I separate it. So multiplication is really addition when I expand it, okay? All right, you guys try this one, please. All right, which rule is this? Quotient. And when I divide, I really subtract. So I'm going to have the log 4 of 16 minus log 4 of x. Now, order matters. Remember, with division and subtraction, order matters. So whatever the numerator is first, denominator is second. Order matters. Order does not matter in addition and multiplication. It does matter in subtraction and division. You would get a totally different answer. Okay? Good? All right. Okay, go ahead and try. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake when I typed this one. Give me a second. I just realized. This should be x to the third power. Okay? Okay. Which rule is this? Power rule. And so when I take a power to a power, I really multiply. So I'm going to do the log 5 of x times the log 5 of 3. Cool? All expanded. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. I messed up. What do I do? Okay, so fix it for me. I just went multiplication. What should it be? How should I write this? This is wrong. What should I write? Close, 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 close. Floor it. Okay? All right. So you are going to learn next year when you do derivatives, the power comes down, you multiply, comes out in front. Cool? Are we good? All right. No more questions? All right. Now we're going to simplify. So now we're going to go backwards. Which one is this? This is the product rule. So I'm going to condense it into a single statement. Who would like to take a try at it? Go ahead, madam. X, sorry, I forgot the little 2, x, y. Okay? So addition goes hand in hand with what operation? Multiplication. Are we good? Multiplication. Sorry, I didn't enunciate. Are we good? All right. You try this next one. All right, I need somebody I haven't heard from. Step up your game. No, I already heard from you. Step up your game. Who's going to step up their game today? Yes, sir. Hardeen. Log 3. You are absolutely correct. 4 over 5. Good job. Good job. Let's keep it going. Are we good? Any questions? Going once? Going twice? Yeah. You don't have to. I do it because, like, when you go to put it in the calculator, it needs to be in parentheses, so it's just a habit. But the parentheses are not necessary. All right. Next one. Try it. Okay. Who wants to tell me what I need to do? All right, Cameron. Awesome. Log 3x squared. It can be in parentheses or not. But you guys don't like when I write parentheses, I won't do it. Sorry. Are we good? All right, the next one has a lot going on, but I think you can handle it. Okay, so my friend in the back, start me off. Rewrite this one first. X to the third, okay, minus, rewrite this one. Yep. Log 2 to the fourth power, okay? And then that one we just gonna bring down, okay? Okay. What do we do with subtraction? What goes hand in hand with subtraction? What goes hand in hand with subtraction? Quotient, division. So log 2 of x to the third over x plus 3 to the fourth. And now I want to, what do I want to do for this? Product, so I'm going to multiply by y. So you could really say log 2 of x to the third y over x plus 3 to the fourth. And in this case, the parentheses are necessary. Why did I only do what? Product. So whenever I add, I really multiply. Division, multiplication. When do you subtract exponents? When you divide. When do you add exponents? When you multiply. I'm trying to associate it with something else you learned. Good? Or better? Better at least?